Hello guys, my name is Sohail Raza. You are watching my channel Raza Refrigeration in YouTube. So friends, in today's video I will tell you how can connect your IFB inverter AC to your mobile. That too without Wi-Fi, and you can also use your AC without internet. If your AC remote is not working, how can connect you use your phone is an emergency. I will tell in this. You are requested not to skip the video and watch the full video. You will understand my word very easily. One thing you have to keep in mind that you must have Xiaomi, Redmi, Mi phone which can easily use to your AC. AC will not connect with other company's phone. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Raza Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID, then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. So friends, now we have come to the screen of our mobile. Now all we have to do, open the Play Store of our mobile. Search for Mi remote and now download and install it. And you have already installed Mi remote, then you don't need the install again. Now our Mi remote is installed. Now we open it. After that, you have to agree the all terms and condition of Mi remote. After that, you have to go to the add remote. After that, you can see the main page of Mi remote, and now you have to go to the AC symbol. After that, you have to the search IFB. IFB, after searching, you have to go inside IFB. After that, our remote page will come. Now you have to keep one thing in mind, that like you use remote in front of AC, you have to use your mobile in the same way. Now you can see that the remote has been given from 1 to 7 in this remote. After that, you have to press the power button. After pressing the power button, beep sound is coming in your AC. Then you have to do yes, and if it is not making sound, then no. Device response no. After doing no, this app will show the second remote. After, you have to press the power button, and this time the sound of beep is coming in AC. And now we will touch yes. After that, press the power button again, and has the device turn off yes. Then the paired page will come. After that, we have to pair. After that, the AC remote will come in front of you, and you use your AC very easily. Hope you like my video, then must like my video.